I mean, I literally went from somebody never having any time to do anything, never having any money to doing anything, to flying halfway across the world to go and meet the mum that changed my whole life, flipping me from a 15-hour workday to a 2-hour workflow. It's like, I used to think making money online was a myth because I got my fingers burned so many times. I used to think that the 2-hour workday was BS because who can work 2 hours a day and make this type of money that mums and dads are making online, right? I'm the first one that's going to tell you I was wrong. And for the first time in my life, I'm glad I was wrong because it changed our life. Within 5 months, I was already out of debt. I bought a car cash for the first time in my life. I flipped my zip code because I always said one day when I'm all grown up, I'm going to move to the ocean. Well, let me tell you, 5 months into this program, I grew up, flipped my zip code, and I get to look out over the ocean every day. And that coming from a mama that thought making money online was impossible. I'm just glad that when I discovered this, I discovered something where if I market on behalf of a company, I get to make 100% profit. And I'm not putting in the work and make 5 or 10% because this is how you reach goals and dreams quicker. I looked at my dream board today and I made content on that. I've got a dream board that I've had all my life, more time with my family, helping families to get their time back, traveling, taking holidays, all those type of things. And I finally get to put real life pictures on that dream board. It's no longer a dream anymore. It's a reality. It's a reality because I chose to learn these skills. This is absolutely amazing. I can recommend this to anybody out there that is ready to learn these skills.